Hi everyone, today I'm sharing you a Chivda Namkeen, a light crunchy snack that is perfect for weight loss and even the whole family including the kids can enjoy it. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the recipe. To make this chivda, first in a kadai, I'm adding peanuts around 3 to 4 teaspoon. These peanuts are unsalted. Next, I'm adding chana. Next, add poha quarter cup. Next, add puff rice around 1 cup, which is also known as bhel. Dry roast all it. Stir continuously for about 3 to 4 minutes or until everything becomes crisp. Be careful not to burn. It's very important to treat ourselves with healthy munching options. Now it's time to transfer it into another plate and simply check it using a finger. Perfectly done. Now in the same kadai I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil, add some fresh curry leaves, add some nuts and seeds for adding crunch and healthy fats to your diet. You can adjust nuts and seeds according to you. Add our crispy mixture of poha back to the kadai. Mix everything gently but thoroughly. And now it's time to add some spices to it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Along with it, I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper for release of curcumin. For better absorption of food in the gut, add rock salt as per your taste. One whole green chilli to increase the spiciness and the taste of this healthy chivda. And you have it, a delicious light munching chivda, which is a perfect healthy snack. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such healthy and nutrition videos. You can even store it up to 1 month and you have it. Very easy, convenient snack. Let me know in the comments that how it turns, and my name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.